So yeah, I did actually think it was stuck in the top of the chimney somewhere, like higher up, but it actually fell through, luckily, today. It has been in there for 2 full days. Okay, I'm gonna try and walk very stillly. I'm gonna try and open the door for it. Okay, buddy. You free? Buddy. Now that's possibly why its friends were hanging around, but yeah. And yeah, I know birdseed, that was a bit silly. I wasn't actually sure what bird it was when I grabbed that all. But it came out through the fire and it sat in there and then flew off, so yeah. Anyway guys, that was me rescuing a bird from my chimney and sending it on its way. So yeah, 2 days. It scared me awake. I only got 2 hours sleep that first day and I was trying to find a way of getting in there. I am glad that I actually somehow snuck through the fire today. I did bump the chimney a bit, so that might have actually moved it further down, and yeah. Okay, love you, and well, hopefully I don't have any more experiences like this too soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video.